Greetings to all space explorers. Today we're going to travel to the very edge of the solar system, where the mysterious Kuiper Belt hides. It's a vast region full of icy objects and mysteries, including one of the most famous dwarf planets, Pluto. What makes the Kuiper Belt so interesting, and why is Pluto, once considered the ninth planet, now at the center of controversy among scientists? Let's find out. The Kuiper Belt is a ring of icy bodies that lies beyond the orbit of Neptune and extends billions of kilometers from the Sun. This cold repository contains remnants of the material from which the solar system formed. These objects, called trans-Neptunian objects, include ice blocks, comets, and dwarf planets such as Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Erid. The Kuiper Belt is something of a treasure trove of ancient materials. Studying these bodies can give us insight into how planets formed and what conditions existed in the early solar system. Pluto was discovered in 1930 and for decades was considered the ninth planet in the solar system. However, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union decided to remove it from the list of planets and classified it as a dwarf planet. The reason was the discovery of many objects similar to Pluto in the Kuiper Belt. Pluto just happened to be one of many. Pluto is slightly smaller than our Moon, and its orbit is more elongated and tilted compared to the orbits of other planets. In addition, its mass is too small to clear its orbital space of other objects, which is one of the criteria by which planets are classified. Despite being demoted to a dwarf planet, interest in Pluto has only increased. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made a historic flyby of Pluto, transmitting the first detailed images of its surface to Earth. This was a real breakthrough. The research revealed that Pluto has a huge heart-shaped plain, icy mountains, and possibly even a subsurface ocean. All of this indicates that Pluto is a complex and surprisingly active world, not just an ice lump on the edge of the solar system. The Kuiper Belt remains an object of active research and attracts the attention of astronomers around the world. One of the main mysteries is the presence of large objects such as Erid, which is almost as large as Pluto. The question of how exactly such large bodies were formed in such a remote part of the solar system still has no definite answer. There is also a hypothesis about the existence of the so-called ninth planet, a massive object that could explain the strange orbital motions of some trans-Neptunian objects. It has not yet been discovered, but if such a planet exists, it could change our understanding of the structure of the solar system. Studying the Kuiper Belt not only helps us understand the past of the solar system, but also gives us clues to the search for life beyond it. Kuiper Belt objects are icy bodies that contain organic molecules, the building blocks of life. On Pluto, for example, traces of frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide have been found, suggesting the possibility of subsurface oceans that could support life. In addition, similar belts have been found around other stars, indicating that the formation of planetary systems is universal. The Kuiper Belt is a cold and remote region full of mystery and possibility. It reminds us that there are undiscovered worlds hidden at the edge of our system, and Pluto remains one of the main mysteries of this frontier space. Perhaps in the coming years, new missions will help answer the questions that continue to preoccupy scientists. Why and how did this belt form? And is it possible that it hides conditions suitable for life? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the mysteries of the solar system, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put a like and click on the bell. There are many exciting discoveries ahead.